Everything is just like bright, crispy white. Good morning, everybody. Today is Thanksgiving. Please excuse my voice. I literally just hopped up off the couch, threw some clothes on to go meet Mike at the house. So, my voice has not adjusted to the day. Neither have I being awake for a short amount of time. Well, I've been up and down all day. Woke up. So our little is sick right now. So, great. She got sick yesterday, so she's not feeling well, and all you moms out there know that means you don't get any sleep. So she woke up about 6 something and was rummaging around the refrigerator trying to find something to drink, and it woke me up, and then I was up for a little bit and read my Bible or Bible app. And then I'm driving, so I'm not looking at you, but then she coughed, and so I really couldn't relax. And then I dozed off, and then I could hear her coughing, so I woke back up. So it's 12:47, and I'm just now getting up. These are not my Thanksgiving clothes, but if the day continues going the way that it has been, it might be my Thanksgiving clothes, but I just threw something on. Anywho, besides the point. Heading to meet Mike at the house to show you guys the updates. I'm so excited. The pillars are done. The house is painted. The doors are back on. There's nothing in the house, so it's like everything's bare. You can just see everything. So trim carpenters are coming back next week, and yeah, I don't think the painters are not all the way done, but the house is like, you can visualize it more now. But I will see you guys when I get to the house. If you're new here, my name is Camille. We're meeting Mike at the house, and we are House of Rolle. And we would love it if you guys would hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and leave us a comment below. See you guys in a minute. We can finally show you guys the front of the house. Look at these pillars. I can't scoot back more because they have our address in the yard. So this is as much as we can see for now, but more than what you guys have been able to see. And then here's Mike over here eating
Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving. Yes, I forgot to say that. Mike's over here eating some sweet potato pie. Look at these pillars. The what? Oh, yeah. Me and the neighbor were talking about that the other day, how it was supposed to be stucco board pillars, but you were like, no. So this is what's inside of here. They didn't have a lot of wasted brick in there compared to what we've seen. Okay, so something about in here. So, let me see. Where the door to step into the house, there and here, there's a distinct height difference. So, what we decided on is,
The the landing.
Yeah.
It's coming up right here.
Yeah.
Top of it, right? So we'll be able to see this and this.
No.
Just this.
Yes. Over there. Over here, we'll be able to see it all the way, but not over here. We'll be able to see that corner, but okay. So because of the height difference, it's all because of the way the windows are and all that. They have to either raise in here up higher or create a step. They could have created a step here and a step here. So all of this is flat concrete. So our superintendent had the idea of we could do a step that goes like this and goes this way, which is what we decided would aesthetically look better. So yeah. What do you think about the pillars? What do you think about the pillars? And then the stairs.
From a distance.
So this, from a distance, what?
From a distance, it gives you like a panoramic view
Uh-huh.
of the entire front of the house, and it just pops it up. It just pops the house, and I mean, it just makes it look clean, but real decorative because of the many bricks in the front of the house.
Mm-hmm.
But my concern is once they create the landing inside and then they come out here and create the landing out here, then all of this is going to be covered as well too.
Well, if we look, and we can go over there and see, but you see how they have,
Here, the bricks in front of their steps.
yeah.
The bricks in front of their steps.
So like this much won't be covered.
They come around the first step here.
Yeah, so then I don't know if 1, 2, 3, 4. I think we'll only have 4. They said they're estimating we'll have like 5 stairs.
Right, so for example, if this, unless this is going to be a landing first and this step is going to be up here.
If you want a landing, I think you have to specify that. Do we want a landing and then the stairs?
I thought they said based on every 4 steps or every 4 steps you need.
If you have so many stairs, then you have to have a rail. But if we want, I think that might be kind of cool. I'm thinking decorative wise, to have this be kind of a landing and then start the stairs.
If I'm trying to get most of them, I'm trying to get as many bricks exposed as possible.
Yeah. Well, they're gonna come. Step back, honey.
So is this equal to 1 step? 1, 2.
Yeah, they got 2.
3.
They got like 1.5 rows. No, they have 2. They have 2. So, and then the stair doesn't go this entire thing. It's gonna be between here and here. So now some of them I've seen, it's stair, landing, stairs. Do you want a landing out here?
I gotta see it visually.
Because I think he needs to know to let the concrete people know.
Yeah, I'm just gonna drive around and see.
Okay. Okay, guys, it's time to go indoors. We did find a little stash of bricks inside, which is not a lot. So I think our neighbors have a whole lot extra. I'm gonna let you go first, Mr. Rolle.
I wish this garage had some sort of heater in it.
It's warm inside.
Yeah. Snow White.
This is the view. I still haven't finished painting this. I'm assuming because sheetrock must not be done. Oh, plumbing came. Clearly ruined all that, so sheetrock's gonna have to finish that too. Honey, where you at? Oh, you weren't supposed to go that far yet. I came yesterday. Mike hasn't seen anything. This is everything painted and put back together. Don't worry, I'm gonna zoom out and do a full view here in a minute. Oh, thank you for closing those. Looks nice. Everything looks so clean and organized and ready for flooring and countertops. Mm-hmm. So this is how this is still looking. The last video you guys seen, we had everything taped off. Now everything's not taped off, and I'm gonna come this way so you guys can see this full view. Now over here, think about this base cabinet will be somewhere around there. And then this will be over the fridge. And then there'll be floating shelves and then the tall double oven cabinet. Did you see the door in the garage? This door's in the garage. Yeah. Pantry. So many ideas for all of this. And then the rail will be here. Have an idea for this too. Shelves are back in. Everything is just like bright, crispy white. What do you think about the kitchen cabinets? Do you see what I mean by if they would have been white, it just would have blended in. It would have looked stark.
Are they gonna repair that chip on that cabinet?
They're gonna replace the door. I think it might be in the garage, in those boxes.
They match that wood pretty good, man. That's all.
You say what?
So they match that wood pretty good.
Man, like perfectly. It looks like it was one unit. Yeah, I think they go through and adjust all that. Say what?
So what you used to call them at one point in time?
No.
I'm just like got the screws in there.
That one was. That's the bathroom one that they had to take out because it was too low. Did you see plumbing came and fixed that? Mm-hmm. Laundry room. Is new. Well, I guess not new, but it was not installed. It was in one of these rooms, I think, or laying somewhere on the ground, but this matches that. So these doors are painted and back on, so this is a first. I don't know why I'm whispering. They look so good. And then this is the closet complete. Oh, that's the other thing that's new. They put the bars in. So we did not paint these. They just have a gloss, a sheen sprayed on them. And then the bars. It's a lot of room for hanging stuff and storing all of her things. Bathroom. Do you guys remember when that was just, it was just concrete and that was the only thing sticking up out of the concrete? Because I do. It's crazy that we're here. Mike just went downstairs. I can't wait till you can see this in its entirety. Without the, it's hard for you guys to see because there's plastic on this side and plastic on the other side. So when you're sitting here watching the television, you can glance that way, see the water. These shelves turned out so nice. I can't wait to see it with the lights, and then the fireplace going, and the TV. I have an idea for something I want to hang right here. Mike just opened the door. Just realized we haven't showed you guys the dining room in a while. That's a wrap.
That's a wrap.
You know what that made me think about? That's all, folks.
That's all, folks.
Who was that?
Yeah.
Bugs Bunny, yeah. Oh, goodness.
That's all, folks. Gobble, gobble. Gobble, gobble, gobble.
So what do you think about all the updates?
Liking it, you know. It's driving everything home. The moment of truth is right around the corner, you know, and I am happy, pleased with everything so far.
Yeah, everything.
Hopefully next year we'll be celebrating Thanksgiving right here.
Lord willing.
Yep.
The which will be nice with the double ovens. To be able to cook. But you guys got to see everything look so crisp, so clean, and I mean, it literally just looks like it's ready to get flooring and countertops and things like the dishwasher and the dishwasher, toilets and tubs. Oh goodness, you guys. But there's still a lot more that has to be done. I think he said, did he say they're gonna try to do the driveway next week if weather permitting?
Yeah, I believe so.
The driveway and the steps and the landing.
Yeah.
Oh, that's what we need to go look at some so you can see. But yeah.
Well, folks, I hope you guys have a wonderful Thanksgiving today. Eat and be satisfied, and don't forget to watch the game. And from the houseofrolle, we are saying, have a happy Thanksgiving. Until then, peace out.